As mentioned in the Scrum Guide, the Scrum Master and Product Owner both interact with the entire dev team for different reasons. Let's start with the Scrum Master. From the top navigation bar, select Sprint Execution. From the side navigation bar, select Decisions and then Team Decisions. You will see 4 categories of decisions. The Scrum Master is responsible for 3 categories, which include facilitated by Scrum Master, conflict resolution, and dev team. The first category is facilitated by the Scrum Master. These are the meetings that the Scrum Master facilitates at appropriate times during each sprint. To choose any of these actions, select an appropriate day against that particular action. The next is conflict resolution. During the course of the project, if there are conflicts in the team, the Scrum Master can use these options to respond. The third category that the Scrum Master is responsible for is dev team. Use these options when you need to facilitate knowledge sharing in the Scrum team. Let's now understand the team decisions that the product owner is responsible for. If you are the product owner, this is what you need to do. In Sprint Execution, Decisions on the side navigation bar, click on Team Decisions. And on this screen, click the category chaired by the product owner. These are the meetings where the dev team is present and the product owner is leading the discussion. An important option available in this particular category is stretch goals. In case the product owner feels that the dev team can commit to more user stories in a sprint than they have committed to already, he or she can suggest some stretch goals. This can be beneficial in increasing the velocity. However, the impact on the individual and team needs to be considered while taking this decision. Another important action is backlog refinement. It is recommended that the product owner does a backlog refinement with the dev team at least once in every sprint to ensure that all the queries of the dev team with respect to the user stories are clarified. As mentioned earlier, it is recommended that both of you, that is the Scrum Master and Product Owner, browse through these options available. This will help the Scrum Master and Product Owner take appropriate team decisions to ensure a successful project. All the best.